Good morning, guys. I hope you're doing well. So, guys, I'm gonna go to the shop. I need to buy one or two things. My house is dry, literally. Oops. Yeah, my house is dry, guys. I don't have any food at the moment. Oh my god, how do you guys do this thing? Like this DJI camera, how do you guys put it on in the car? Like, I don't know. I'm going to do some shopping right now. So sure, I'm not buying a lot of stuff, just a bit. I think I have £1 because I need to get the trolley. Okay. Hope you're doing well. So let's go. Guys, I don't like driving. I hate driving. Like, driving, nah. I don't think driving is fun. A lot of people think it's fun, but for me, I don't find driving fun, guys. You know, but okay, guys, so these are all my shopping. So I got a bottle because my son needs another bottle. This bottle is so expensive. Anyways, and I got milk, some sweets. I mean, as a parent, you must buy sweets, isn't it? Some sweets and some mixed veg. And I got some corns and some yogurt because I really like this yogurt. And some Kit Kats. Got some Kit Kats. And my son wants this, so I'm going him that. And some croissants. They really love croissants. Then, you know, fruits, banana, orange, tangerines, egg. I really like this egg. The way they mix it up, I really like it. It looks really healthy, if that makes sense. Then I got some fairy wash. I run out of one. Then orange and apple. And also got some drinks as well because my son really like this drink. I normally have it like once a day for lunch. Yeah, I also got this one for fried rice. Then I got the Doritos. It's already been opened because my kids. It's already been opened. Just open one of the kids. So I got Doritos. Then also got bread and roast chicken. This is for sandwich and pizza. So this pizza, guys, my kids really love this pizza, and it's so easy. Just put it in the microwave and that's it. So I got four, and I got juice, cranberry and orange juice. Yeah. So this is all my shopping for 2 days. Should I say 2 days or 3 days? Let's say 3 days. Yeah, 3 days before I start running to shop again. So I bought all this from Tesco. So this is Tesco shop. So but Tesco is closer to me. So I bought all this from Tesco, and like I said, this will last for like 3 days. By 4 days, I'm sure by Sunday now, I'm gonna go there again. Guys, it's not easy having kids, but we thank God. Yeah, good morning guys. I hope you're doing well. So I'm going to drop my kids to school, and then from there I'm gonna go to Subway. I'm craving for Subway today. I don't know why. I'm not really a breakfast person. Breakfast is not really for me. But today I need to have my Subway. So hi guys, so I just want to do quick unboxing with you guys. So I got all this from TikTok shop. They just arrived now. Yeah, so these are all free sample from TikTok. Like I said to you guys on my previous video that I am like a wig influencer on TikTok, but I do like fashion stuff like that. So let me just quickly do this unboxing and show you guys. Yeah, so I don't know what this one is, I can't remember, but I'll just show you guys. Okay, I think I do know now. This is two-piece jumper cardigan, I think. Hold on, no, it's not. This is it smells. Oof. This is a bag, a foam bag. I saw it on TikTok and I really like, and I applied for the sample, and then they approved the sample. It's really cute, like really cute, like it's really, really cute. Yeah, so I'm gonna do the review. It's so cute. Yeah, so, and it's smelly a bit though. Oof. Anyways, right, next one. Yeah, I know what this one is. So this is the leather jacket. I'm so excited to review this leather jacket. It's so good. Like I'm not going to open it everything, because the way I want to do the video, I want the video to look, you know. So yeah, this is like this is a leather jacket. It's so nice. I don't know if you guys can see this. Yeah, and I got in medium size. And oh, let's open this one. What's this one? I don't know. Oh yeah, this is for my DJI camera case. You know that what's it called? The silicone case. Yeah, I got the silicone case. This one is not. Oh gosh, I didn't whip it. This one is not for example. This is just I bought this on my own coin. So yeah. And let's see. Yeah, this is a wig. Yeah, this one is a wig. This is can't even remember. Yeah, this one is a wig. Oh my god, it's so nice. Whoa, guys, look. This is a synthetic wig, guys. Oh my god, is this synthetic wig? It is. Whoa, guys, look at the lace. How good is this? Wow. This is gorgeous, guys. This is a synthetic. Can't wait. Wow. Right, let me put it back really nicely. Oh, this is so gorgeous. How gorgeous is this? Okay. Let's see what is in here. This is the last bag. Yeah, they're all wigs. Right. Oh god, this is gonna take long. But anyways, it's good for me to show you guys, because I just think that this is another wig. This is synthetic wig as well. Yeah, I love synthetic wig. I think if you're a wig influencer, why not rock any kind of hair? Do you know what I mean? Yeah, so yeah. And this one, I don't know what this one is. Let me see. Yeah, this one is a woman hair. Let me see what this one. What wig is this one? Right, this one is a woman hair. Okay. I need to go and check what company is this one, because and let me see what this one is. Yes, this one is another woman. No, this one is a synthetic yaki hair. Synthetic yaki hair. Yeah, look at this one. Oh, this is so cute. Yeah, this one is synthetic yaki hair. Yeah. I like to review a really good synthetic hair, because I know a lot of people, you're using your money to buy things and you cannot trust someone like us that do wig reviewing. So wig review, which you guys are spending your money. So I always make sure that if the wig is not good, I'm not gonna review it, and I will let the seller know straight away. Yeah, but since I've started doing TikTok affiliate, I'm still lucky enough to be reviewing a good wig. So reviewing good wigs. So this is like This is the hairband. Because this hairband, I got in 3 colors. And then last but not least, let's see what this one is. All right, I got this statue. I got this statue because I saw someone did the review. I was like, okay, this will be cute, but it looks so tiny. I also look so tiny because you can actually put like your pen and pencil, whatnot inside, or makeup brush. I just think it's cute. Yeah, I think it's cute. Yeah, and that's it really. So, and that's it for my TikTok thing, TikTok affiliate parcel. So I think I'm still expecting more, but I'm not sure when it's going to come because the delivery is just taking forever. I don't know what's going on, maybe because I don't know. But yeah, so I'm going to end up the video here, guys, and I hope you guys enjoy my daily, weekly vlog, and I will see you guys in my next one. Peace, bye.